Today in this video, we shall be discussing about Reliance Industries Limited. What was it in the past? What is its current status? And what to expect out of it for tomorrow? And what should be our future strategy be in terms of trading? But before I start off with that, let me welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Market Trends. So let's get started. As you can see in front of your screen is the Reliance Industries Limited. The stock last traded today 2092 rupees, which was fairly down by 85.70 points. In terms of percentage, we could find that it was down by 3.94%. Whereas now, if we look at the valuations, the market capitalization of the company has increased to 13.81 trillion. The PE ratio stands to be 33.26. Now, if we discuss on the returns which were recorded previously, the return stands to be for the day at minus 4.16%, whereas for 1 year it was recorded at 73.96. 3 years it was 164.20, whereas for 5 years it was 320.40, and lastly 10 years it was 317.23%. Now coming on to the deals, the company made several deals starting from the month of April till that of today. The company has made approximately 13 deals in writing, and apart from that there are few more to be discussed, like that of Amazon and Qatar Investment Authority. Both of them are looking to have a stake in it, and if you see what is posted by Amazon.com is that they are looking to approximately buy 9.9% stake in Reliance Retail. This was posted a week ago. Whereas other than that, the news about Qatar Investment Authority is that they are looking to invest around 11,200 crores in Reliance Industries Limited fiber business. Apart from that, having all these deals been cracked, the Reliance Industries Limited in its previous quarter also introduced or announced its biggest right issue being offered, that was of rupees 53,125 crores. Now, having done all of these things and having issued the right issue and got the deals, now the company stands to be completely net debt free. Whereas the company is expected to announce its June ended quarter results tomorrow. Having said so, I just missed out another thing, that Reliance Industries Limited is also in final stages of talks to acquire Future Group's retail business. Whereas previously there was a deal to be cracked on between Saudi Aramco and Reliance, which haven't come into execution as of yet, as said by Mukesh Ambani in his previous AGM. The deal is being not yet processed due to either this COVID-19 issue or something or the other, but the scenario being put forward by Mukesh Ambani looks to be vague. Now comes the main part, that is the part wherein I express my views. Over here I will express my view also, and as well as I will discuss what is being discussed by several analysts. As tomorrow the company is going to announce its June ended quarter results, it is very likely that the results might come in negative numbers. This is not only in my view but also is being discussed by several analysts. Added to it, in my personal view, I suppose that the deal between the Reliance Industries Limited and Saudi Aramco deal is unlikely to happen in near future. Before going on to discussing what should be your future strategy be, let me also support one more thing over here in regards to the quarter results which are to be announced tomorrow. Is that all this what is expected tomorrow about Reliance Industries Limited announcing the quarter results, and as expected it's going to be in negative, but in my view, even if the numbers are in negative, they have several other points, and it is very likely that using of the points mentioned above, they might turn it into a positive thing, and this stock might move on further. Like for example, the Amazon deal, the Qatar Investment Authority deal, or else they have the Saudi Aramco deal. Any news regarding that, or else they could also come up with the future group deal, cracking of the group deal is also likely to be expected, and if any of these come, it is very likely that these stock will start in positive rally further. Now, if you talk about the future predictions or future strategy, in my view, it is a very decent investment to make, especially for the long term investors. If they are looking to invest, it's a very good investment, although the stock can come down in short term, but definitely for a longer term holders, it will give a positive return. So only if the investor who is investing is liable to invest for a good amount of time and can hold on for a good amount of time, it will be advisable to him that he can invest in this company for the moment, because everything seems to be good, and things will turn out good for this company as a whole. So this is what I wanted to convey regarding Reliance Industries Limited. I hope you liked what I conveyed, and if you liked my work and haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I would request you to subscribe my channel. At the same time, I would request you to click on the bell icon and also share this channel in your contacts. I really apologize for my voice because I'm terribly suffering from cold. So pardon me on that issue. Apart from that, I would be coming up with another video very soon. Till then, take care and bye bye.